Presenting the Amazon Basics 23-liter convection microwave that is suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. This Amazon Basics microwave can be used for baking along with grilling, reheating, defrosting and cooking. It can be used for combination cooking as well. The microwave also lets you defrost frozen food items easily. This microwave comes with an easy-to-clean cavity interior, making it more hygienic. It also comes with a touch panel with LED display that lets you control your microwave with just a simple touch. It comes with a child lock function that disables the control panel so that children cannot operate the microwave accidentally. With the 30-second quick start function, you can easily set the timer for quick operations. It also comes with a timer function to signal the end of cooking time. This Amazon Basics microwave comes with 60 auto-cook menus that makes cooking easier and more convenient even for people who are not familiar with microwave cooking recipes. This microwave comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product and 3 years on the magnetron. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.